Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another edition of a Soggy Sunday here on YouTube. We're on location in Perryville, Maryland. The day has finally arrived. Brad's second annual Fellowship at the Furnace 2024 is underway. The machines are set up. We've got 10 different Eastonmade machines here running today. It's quite a muddy, soggy mess, but as you can see, the Eastonmade flag is flying in the background. So I'm gonna try and stay dry, stay warm, and show you guys around and check out the different machines that everybody has brought here to demonstrate. So stick with me and we'll show you what's going on. Here we are. Here's Brad's trailer. He's the host of the event. That's his Kaufman trailer. That's his 24-foot conveyor. Over there is his Eastonmade 1222. 14 horse Raisin Stratton, 22 gallons a minute with a box wedge. There's nobody attending to it right now, but there will be here in a minute. Here's the 2228 here in the foreground. Another 1222 back there. That's Jake from June Brand DIY with his attached conveyor and his grizzly bars that he added. More machines back there. I haven't even checked those out yet. That's Dick Westbrook from Old Guy Firewood in the red jacket. And that's Don Sides 1222. He's busting through some ash with the pizza box wedge, making some ash bundle wood. Okay, here we go. What you're looking at here, guys, is the granddaddy of them all. 37D, diesel powered. It just doesn't care. Pushes through this hard maple like it's butter. Auto cycle valve. Cycle time is less than 5 seconds, out and back. Loaded diesel. Purring along at about 2,800 RPM. 4 o'clock. Things are wrapping up. We've got plenty of totes of ash split up. Brad's axis is still here. There was a whole pile of ash rounds in here. They're all gone. They're all processed. Don Shipes 1222 is over here with what's left of the carnage. And then there's all totes over here. Those are all fresh split. And then down here at the end, there's an Eastonmade Ultra that was brought into the yard that's going out to a new customer in the next week or so. Plenty of face cords stacked. I'm alongside Brad's dump trailer. He's got a full load of pin oak that I helped to process. So he'll have to be putting that up once the mud dries out. It's quite a muddy mess, but everything down there past that red wheelbarrow was all processed today and put up as well. All in all, it was a great day. The rain finally stopped, and it's a little bit windy, a little cold, but all in all, it was a great day. Huge success. That's all we've got for today. So if you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll catch you on the next one.